gosh, yeah. Okay, we're supposed to be making slime, but Anaya got the wrong glue, so it might not work.
No, that's not what happened. What happened was they didn't have no
Elmer's?
Yeah.
But the activator I have really only works for Elmer, so we're gonna see if it works. How much?
Oh, here, just pour it. Okay, let's go.
And you took all the pin gears. You're freaking greedy. Stingy. Okay.
Hurry up, Dion.
You can add your color or something. Use this
No,
one.
I want to use pink glue. I think blue.
Okay, I'll do pink. It's gonna be ginger reveal.
That's the ginger, guys. I think I'm gonna just use the straw, guys. Should I use the straw?
Use the spoon.
It's gonna like be stuck on the spoon.
It's
I don't
okay.
need that. You got a root twist.
Hey, don't play with it.
Okay,
Look,
Dion.
it's too hard. Hey, it's kind of vibrant. I think I need some more. Don't put your finger in it.
That's just dumb.
Exactly. Back up. Are you ready for activator?
Yeah.
No. It's blue.
Dumb can you be?
Okay. Ready?
You go first.
I'm scared.
See if it activates yours.
Might
If
not
not,
work.
I'm just gonna take it home.
It normally only requires a little bit. Hey, it's working. It's freaking. Hey, girl. I want to add more glue. Yes.
I have to take a picture of this
It's not working. No.
You should have brought shaving cream.
Exactly. I told you, but you was like, no.
I didn't say nothing.
Hi.
What is this?
Slime. Okay, word. Yeah, we're gonna come back when it's done. Oh, she already getting that hand action in there.
I should have asked you. Hurry, Dion. Okay. No.
Is it working? Do you have slime hands even?
Dang, I wish I had some lotion. Okay, just a tad bit. Okay. Okay, come Dion.
I was trying to get it out, my fault. It's not
Oh
activated.
no, Maya. Just throw it in the trash.
Wait, let me just put this activator right here.
Wait, Dion, this ain't.
You gotta keep
God.
eating it, Naya.
I
Gotta
am.
keep eating it.
So we got tattoos now?
Yes, I'm tied it up.
Oh
Hello?
my lord, what happened?
Eczema. No, you already took my glue. Bro,
Can you stop?
Let it go. Just let
No.
it. It's not. Yeah.
I think it's working.
it's like glossy slime. And I got bubbles. Hey.
Don't use too much.
Why are you putting activator first?
Put the glue first.
Just a drop.
Hey, Maya, come on, slime.
No. No. That don't look right.
Ain't nobody telling him to pick the stuff up.
They're seniors.
Who's here?
That one get his shirt signed right there. He's like a little sophomore. Maybe a junior. I feel like that's gonna be the case for us though when we're seniors. I feel like I added too much activator in my last
There's some
round.
lotion and shaving cream.
I know a couple teachers with some lotion.
Miss Pennington.
Okay, y'all. So this is my slime. I did the pink one.
Listen, this. I did the blue one.
Gender reveal. It's a Girl, are y'all ready? Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Gender reveal? I didn't notice that. What the hell?